talking about the larger investments which we expect.
Ringkat keperthai hibarok kawai kanong ba Shillong kala Rakhe ya ka World Blood Donors Day ha conference hall jongka MIIT dan geti ha ka ba menteri katanat pulih putih ka Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdo kala don langkum ka kongsan. Haba ai jingkran ha kane ka sngi ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo kala penpau halor ka jingdon kam ya ka jingno senyang dakasna man la kapor ada kibriu khnang ba kan duna ha ka jaka bu pelang ya kasnam daka boong balada kinong pang kidon kam ya kasnam ki bashipara jong kinong pang kila banwan shakhmat banno senyang ya kasnam ha kane ka sngi shibun ki jaka pulih ki kenhun seng baper bat ki riu shimet kila sha penkop buram bat la pelat ya ki arteli ki kali bankit ya kasnam.
That till today I find this very big gap for critical patients at the time when they need blood donation. There is a taboo that continues to persist, and we must find what is the mantra that will open out and kill this taboo and make sure that the people of the state of Meghalaya are natural blood donors without hesitation. That as and when patients become critically ill and are requiring blood donation, the safest donor will be his or her own sibling or parent if they are still strong to donate.
Maternal and Child Health Hospital lanika MC